answer, I want to introduce myself. My name is Kasti. I'm come from Java, Indonesia. I'm 44 years old. I'm married. I have one daughter. I'm height 145 cm. My weight 49 kg. I have experience before in Malaysia 3 years, Singapore 3 years, Hong Kong 6 years. My job in Malaysia take care one children and housekeeping. My job in Singapore take care 3 children and bring her go to school. My job in Hong Kong, I take care the children, go to the market and cooking for my employer. Thank you, Sing Sang. Thank you, Tai Tai. Bye bye.